Hello children, this is second video of this chapter. In this we shall discuss about water problems, water quality, watershed management and national water policy. First of all, what are the problem related to water in India? Problem related to water in India is availability of water. More than availability of water, main problem is availability of clean and fresh water or potable water. Okay, potable water means the water which is useful for drinking and usable purpose. Okay, due to growing population, pollution is there from various sources like industries, agriculture, domestic source, etc. And the per capita availability of water also is decreasing day by day. Because of more use of water, per person availability of water is decreasing day by day. So what are the two major problems of related to water? That is declining availability of potable water, means availability of good quality of water, and second is per capita availability of water. These are the main problems related to water availability. The deterioration of water quality means how water quality is becoming poor. Water quality means water. What does water quality means? Water quality means water free from unwanted foreign substance that make water polluted, means the water which is free of all the dirty things. Okay, that is called water quality, means pure water. The toxic substance means the impure substance, okay, the poisonous substance which are responsible for water pollution are dissolved in streams and they go to the lakes, streams, river and oceans. Just like Yamuna river is the most polluted river in India. Yamuna river flow through Delhi, and because nearby Delhi there are many industries and they pollute, the wastage coming out of these industries pollute the Yamuna river. Okay, this is the most polluted river in the country, and to remove this pollution from river or water body, there are many laws and acts, okay, coming time to time, just like Water Prevention and Control Act of 1974, Environmental Protection Act of 1986, Water Cess Act of 1977. They did various things to prevent the pollution, but in spite of this also there are some awareness needed for removing the pollution. Apart from pollution, there is problem of availability of water also, for which we should do recycle and reuse of water. Recycle and reuse is simple and best way to conserve fresh water and make available for all. Industries can use water of low quality and their wastewater for cooling and firefighting they can do, which can decrease not only the cost of water for them but also conserve the fresh water. Water also could be collected after bathing and washing utensil, washing clothes, washing car. Okay, this water can be used for gardening. Okay, these are all method to conserve the water today, and the method to reuse the water. Today using and recycling of water is limited to few people, but there is enormous course for replenishing water through recycling. Replenishing means reusing. Okay, next is watershed management. Watershed management actually means taking one river or a water body and managing it in for their community. This means here definition is watershed management basically refer to efficient management, good management for conservation of surface water. What are the things included in watershed management? Groundwater resource, prevention of surface runoff, storage and recharge of groundwater by different method, conservation, regeneration and judicious use of all natural resource and human being, creating a balance among natural elements as well as the society. Means suppose in your village, if there are well, if there are river, if there are stream, if there are springs, then how we will use in sufficient means proper way that we will balance all the nature as well as the natural resources. Community participation is very much needed in this watershed management program. Here two example of community participations are given, just like Haryali and Niru Miru. These are asked in exam, okay. Haryali and Niru Miru are these examples of community participation, how people come together to conserve the water. Then we have other method, just like water policy. Water policy was adopted by Government of India, which is called National Water Policy. Their aim was to provide water for the people for drinking, irrigation, hydropower, navigation, industrial and other use. The main objective of this policy was to provide water to all human being and animal. Then regular monitoring of surface and groundwater, okay. Regular monitoring of surface and groundwater means monitoring how river water or groundwater is being used, and create awareness of water as a scarce resource and create conservation. So this is the main fact of this chapter, water resource. Okay, thank you.